A failing log splitter control valve can quickly turn productive work into frustration and unexpected repair costs. Welcome to WholeToolBox. The control valve is the heart of your log splitter's hydraulic system, directing the flow of fluid between the pump, cylinder, and reservoir. When this component begins to fail, the entire machine suffers. If you notice slow ram movement, weak splitting force, or unusual noises, these are clear warning signs that your control valve needs attention. On heavy-duty units, such as 27-ton splitters, a common sign of mechanical failure is an engine that bogs down during the auto-retract phase, or an engagement lever that refuses to stay in the upstroke position. Troubleshooting begins with a physical assessment of the spool, which is the internal shaft that controls oil flow. After heavy use, vibrations can cause this spool to loosen. You should inspect the area where the spool enters the valve body for any unusual play or wobble. To address these internal issues, the unit should be placed in vertical mode to allow hydraulic fluid to drain. Inside the valve assembly, you will find a detent system consisting of 4 small balls and a spring. If the spool has loosened, these balls fall out of alignment, causing the lever to click out of position or bind during operation. To restore full functionality, the spool must be secured using a blue thread sealer and tightened to a specific torque of 70 to 90 inch-pounds. Applying a small amount of grease during reassembly will help hold the detent balls in place. For trusted log splitter replacement parts and maintenance essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.